So this is the easiest way I know how to make concrete. So I've just been to B&Q. I haven't been sponsored by them or anything like that. I've bought it all with my own money. So I've bought some cement and some ballast. Ballast is a mixture of sand and gravel. When you mix it with cement, it makes concrete. You don't have to buy separate sand and gravel and mix it up, and it's just a nice convenient way of making concrete. And apart from water, that's all you need to make concrete. So the tools I'm using, I've got a shovel, a bucket, I've got a cement mixer, and I've got my wheelbarrow there. You don't need a cement mixer. You can just have a board on the floor or a wheelbarrow and mix it with the spade. But I bought this on Facebook Marketplace and I've used it about 4 times now. This will be the 5th time, and it's earned its money back, and when I finish with it I can just sell it on. So it's like hiring it for free. It's a bit battered, but it works perfectly. So the mix I'm going to do is a 4-to-1 mix. So 4 ballast to 1 cement, and that should make a fairly strong concrete mix. Some people say 5-to-1, I find that a little bit soft. So it's to fill this hole here where we had a new gas pipe and water main brought in when we had the extension built. So just got a small bucket. It's basically just to measure out. There's 8 bucketfuls in there now. I've just got to put 2 bucketfuls of cement in there. So the way that worked out was 4 bags of ballast was basically 1 bag of cement. So it worked out quite nice for the mix. So just get that mixing up dry. So now that it's dry mixed, just got to add some water. But remember, you can always add more, you can't take more out, so just go easy with the water till you get a nice mix. So I've put the water in, I've let it mix up for a while, and I've got a nice consistency to lay the concrete. Now if I'd have done that with a spade in a wheelbarrow or on a board, it would have been a lot of hard work. Believe me, I've done it quite a few times. I'm so glad I spent on this. Saved a lot of back-breaking work, especially at my age. I can tip that into the wheelbarrow now and then put it into the hole. So I've just got an old float now. I'm just trying to level it up with the existing floor levels. Here I'm just trying to tamp out any of the air bubbles. Now if this was a bigger area I could use a piece of wood to tamp it out, but because it's only a small area it's fine using a trowel. So just tamping out the air bubbles and getting what's known as the fat to the trying to get some kind of level. Now that I've got it to this stage, it's fairly level everywhere, even though the levels are everywhere. That bit goes that way, that bit goes that way, that bit goes that way. I've done the best I can for leveling it out. I'm going to leave it now for an hour or two, come back to it, and then I can trowel it a bit smoother, or I could give it a brushed finish. I haven't quite decided yet. So I took 8 bags of ballast and 2 bags of cement, and a fair bit left over there in my wheelbarrow, so I'll just put that back into the bags that the ballast came in and dispose of it. And don't forget to clean off all your tools. With the cement mixer, I'm going to put a bit of water in it and a couple of half bricks, let it mix around for a bit, and that should clean it up. Concrete's had a couple of hours to dry now, and I could polish it up with the trowel, but I've had a little play with it and I think I like the brush effect. I've just got a soft bristle brush and I've just lightly dragged it across the surface, and it just gives it that little texture. So it gets the trowel marks out as well. So I think that's what I'm happy with. Plus it gives it a slight little bit of grip. So that was an easy way of concreting. It's the easiest way I know, and it's turned out quite well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.